Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's call.
Good day, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone here.
Yeah. Thank you for making the time and effort to be on this call. I know around the world, sometimes it's early, it's late. So we try to get times that's more suitable for everyone.
Okay, let's just give them a minute to get in.
Stefan. Yeah, see, there's still a few people joining. So let's give them a second or so to get everyone on the call. I just want to quickly show you guys. So welcome to everyone on today's call on the TAF ecosystem. So as you all know, part of the TAF ecosystem, we a group part of Bitcoin TAF. And in our TAF ecosystem, we've got a variety of products and a very amazing product that Niku brought to the market is Day Trade Masters. He's going to touch on this today. He's going to show us and give us an overview how Day Trade Masters work, what they do in this amazing product, part of the ecosystem for TAF. And those of you that know, TAF has been listed on the exchanges on PancakeSwap for the last few months. We are listing on AAX very soon. So there's a lot of exciting developments that's going to happen in the TAF ecosystem as well. So these are our core products. But beyond that, in the TAF token, we are going to expand in various other exciting opportunities for everyone in the crypto market. So the journey for us, we're only touching on it at the moment, and we're doing an introduction of all these products to the general TAF, new people in the TAF token that invested as token holders, and then to introduce the Bitcoin TAF people to the TAF token as well. So it's a whole collaboration between everyone, and we're excited to share with you Day Trade Masters today. So we've got Nico, the expert, here with us. So thanks for making the time, Nico, Teresa, and everyone on the call. So let's get right into it. So Nico, if I can just quickly stop the share here.
Sure.
If you can tell us and give us a brief overview of what Day Trade Masters is and how we can go about learning a little bit more about Day Trade Masters.
Yes, thank you, Ines, and thank you, Teresa, for the opportunity. It's really great to be here, part of TAF and the TAF ecosystem. Yes, like Ines said, guys, I just want to quickly browse through what Day Trade Masters is. So without further ado, us at Day Trade Masters is just concerned about making profit, and that's all it is. And we use signals or crypto day trades and signals to achieve that. Give it to our community, they trade it. And we have basically a 2 to 12 day signals that we put out that the signal is active. So it got 2 to 12 days to play out that you can then put there. You put in your stop limit, you put in your sell orders, and then you trade it up, going about your business each day. So we just make it a little bit easier for you. And just in a nutshell, it's profitable trade setups and interim updates that we use. And it's quite easy to use in a Telegram channel. We put it out in a Telegram channel. And that's all in a nutshell, of what it basically entails. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for that, Nico. It's always a good introduction for everyone that is new to Day Trade Masters, that don't know exactly what the offering is. So what can people get when they subscribe to Day Trade Masters? How does your signals work? Is it a per day, per week? Do they get reports in that as well as part of your service? And do you have any webinars on a weekly basis? How do you stay in touch with your community?
Yes, definitely. First of all, we all about community in Day Trade Masters. We have a very supportive community of day traders. We also have our 2 moderators, or we call them Satoshis, for obvious reasons. And they help the people in the chat channel them with anything, all questions, or if they have a little bit of a problem. And we also have free assistance, training, and education in that channel too. So they get a little bit of that as well as we got some videos as well to show people and know what to do or how to enter the day trade. So we make it easy for people when they join us. We also are 2 analysts at Day Trade Masters. Myself, very, very good trade and friend Corey Gardner. We both are analysts, and we are the guys that look at which trades to take. We do the analysis. We look at all the charts, all the coins, and to give you guys all the great trades to put it out. Then we also give a weekly market updates where Corey takes you through Bitcoin dominance. He shows you a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But then we are more concerned when it is signals. So we show you the signals of the week. We discuss it a little bit. What's happening in those signals? Are we going to cancel it maybe? Or we discuss the take profit levels that we achieved in that week. Then also we focus crypto cares. That's also part of our market update. We show some great crypto cares products or projects, actually, that is there. We work closely together with Karen as well. We believe in giving back as well to the community and to everyone, people that are struggling. So we also have that as part of our weekly market update. And then we have a very comprehensive month-end report. We give people want to see what profits were made, what losses were there. We show them all the coins in that month-end report, which ran and which one hit stop losses. And it's more a cumulative profit and losses for the month. It's by no means showing people what they should have achieved throughout the month. It's just what the trades that we put out. So it's more report that we give out. And then we also have a frequent campaigns or campaign updates. Like I believe people know about the 6 days of bulls we did together with Marius Landman.
Oh, that was fantastic, eh?
Yes, that was a great run. And we show great coins there in a matter of 6 days. People can get into the trades. We had some massive runs on ANC and Luna that week. It was a great one. So we also are going to have frequent campaigns like that as well that we're going to run with. So that is basically also what we give people in when you subscribe.
Yes. No, Nico, that is actually amazing value that you get with all the work and the effort that you and Corey do in Day Trade Masters. So well done to you guys for building this amazing product and what you've been able to offer to members. Yes. Because like you say, you want people to make profit. People need to capitalize on that. And in order to show the results is what we are all about at the end of the day. And congrats on all the crypto cares. I know you've got a heart for the underprivileged and everyone in those communities. So for Day Trade Masters to look after that, you guys are setting an amazing example. And I believe part of the TAF ecosystem, we will also get our hands on a few projects in the future. So that's beautiful to hear. So Nico, let's get into it. Come show us a signal. How do you work on a signal when you post it out to the public? What does the signal look like? Okay. Do you have entry points? Do you have take profit targets? What's the percentages? So show us a little bit of a recent trade, perhaps, or just an example of what you can show to the members.
Yeah, sure. It's very simple, guys. We work on a Telegram channel. where we post the signals out. Example here for you, like we had a phantom trade here, FTM trade here. So this is an example of the channel or the signals channel. And you will see, you will get a signal like this. And then underneath that signal, you will get a chart as well. So that is great if guys want to go and do their own analysis and they look at the chart and maybe look at the levels that we have out there and plan their trading forward. So what we do in the signal, this is the information we give you. We give you a coin with a ticker, FTM, USDT. Then the coin is Phantom. We show you which exchange it's on. Then we say, look at the chart, because we want you to look at the chart. If I go in a little bit closer there, you can see we want you to look at a chart and make your own decisions there. Because remember, we at Day Trade Masters, we do not give financial advice. We just give education and training for you to prosper out with profits here, to make your own decisions, to work your own strategy on these signals. Then we have an entry. You can see we have entry levels. We have a sell levels, like say 4 or 5 of them. Then we have a stop loss, very important. We always emphasize the importance of a stop loss at Day Trade Masters. You can't trade without one. And then we have profit margin, say 2.62% to 14.32. And then as well, the time frame we expect this trade to go. So we determine through technical analysis, say 2 to 8 days, this is what the trade's going to be. Then I want to show you, this is the chart which I was talking about. This was now a coin BenQ on QCoin exchange. And this is what it looks like. When we post it out to the members, this is what you see. There's your little trend coming here on the left-hand side, and then we plan out the chart for you like this. So you have a stop loss here at the bottom. There's little green line, entry line, green banner. And then this is where you will then sell at take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we give you the values as well. And then we also give you the percentage of profit with these lines here on the right-hand side. So this is what it looked like when we now gave out a signal with the chart. And then later, say after a few days, this is what happened. It went up, this trend went up, and we went past take profit 5 actually. So people made some great profit here, as you can see there. Wow. So mostly,
what was that percentage, the TP5?
The TP5 here, Ines, was 32.86%. So people,
lovely. And that was in a matter of a few days.
That's right. But like I said, we don't give financial advice. We've got some people in the community that just traded to take profit too sometimes. And then they're happy with their 13%, and they go to the next trade. Other people ride it out. It's depending on your strategy as well as your experience as well as a trader. So yeah, that is then basically how it works.
And then Nico, your region for giving these trades out, is it about 3 days to 5, or how many days are these trades sometimes active?
They usually, it can be, that's why we say anywhere from 2 to 12 days. Then from 12 days onwards, you guys at small cap big gains take over. You guys, then it goes to long-term trading. So yeah, it's 2 to 12 days. But usually it's sometimes the coin can go a little bit in a ranging market, in a sideways market. It won't start immediately going up. We found that sometimes at day 9 only, then it goes with a little retrace, and then it goes up and get those take profit levels. So it's depending on the asset, on the coin, and what it does. That's why we give it 12 days to perform.
Exactly. And the crypto market is sometimes a little bit unpredictable, but we do the best that we can do to find these gems within Nico, you know how many coins there are at the moment on Coin Market Cap?
Not, yeah, you can tell me.
About 18,000, eh?
Yes. And it's been added every day.
Gems. Exactly. New projects every single day. So that's fantastic. So do you have any results that you can show us that you've done perhaps in the previous month? And yes, I know you're probably consolidating for the end of March, but I'm sure you've got some results for February perhaps to show the members.
Sure. A lot of people ask us, what's the proof? Do we have proof of what we do at Day Trade Masters? And we're very transparent. People want to know the results. This is our last page of February 2022. We also show you the stop losses we achieved. We show you the take profits level that made profit. And if a coin did not perform, sometimes you get it. There's no entry. It doesn't go past the entry line. It just keeps beneath it or go totally down again with a retracement. And we can see, okay, we need to reassess. We put out a new chart. So that's a no entry. But you can see here, if I zoom in, this was our cumulative value, was 232% for February. We then have a cumulative loss, 2 stop losses, and that was minus 12.69%. And then our total cumulative profit value was 219% for the month of February. So we always try to keep the profit levels up there for our members so they can prosper, so they can take advantage of this. I think we had almost like 27 signals out in February. We don't expect everyone to take all the signals. It's impossible for you to take all the signals as we post them out. But, everyone do their own monthly report. Everyone has their own strategy, but there was great potential for making profit with these trades. So just to give you a cumulative idea of what happened in February.
No, that's fantastic work that you guys do. So I see the Anchor protocol there. That did fantastic. Your Luna outperformed. That's beautiful. Yes. So say now, Nico, I'm a new member. I know a little bit about trading, but I'm not an expert as yet. Do you guys offer any trading courses? Do you have material to offer the members to educate them a little bit more in that front of the trading? Because we obviously know you're providing a service for education, but do you also have extra education that you offer new members that join your service?
Yes, thanks, Ines. I'm very glad you asked that question. We at Day Trade Masters are very, very proud to have our own ultimate trading course that's more focused for day and long-term trading. I'm just going to open it up here. As you guys can see, for day, intraday, and long-term trading. It's a very comprehensive course that we use, but it's easy to follow. It's a pre-recorded course, and we have workbooks on it. It's a certificate program, as you can see there, and we have over about 30 extensive chapters in this course. And the best part of it, we have our own indicator now called the detonator. And I'll talk about that a bit shortly, but that is included free lifetime indicator for day and long-term trading. So we're very, very excited on that. Very comprehensive course that we give you. I always tell people, obviously, if there's a lot of questions of where do I start? Do I start with your course or do I start with all the knots? That's also part of Bitcoin TAF. I always suggest first start with all the knots, get it down, get scalping beneath your belt, and then you go in depth and we do technical analysis and all that. So, but this detonator, we're also very, very excited about it. As you can see, it's a combination of 15 indicators. It's for day, intra, swing, and long-term trading. People can use it for that. That's what it was designed for. But the beautiful part is that you can also use it with the alternator. It works together. And it works best with technical analysis, like I said. And what's nice is it's always upgradable. It's going to become beta. As things come more, we can add more things to it. And it's already trademarked as well. So very proud of that. So this is definitely a course. If you want to have a look at it, people can go see. But we also at Day Trade Masters, if you just join Day Trade Masters, there is free courseware also available where we show you simply how to get in a trade like that, how exchange work. Those things are free by our side as well.
Oh, that's fantastic. I love the wording, the indicator detonator.
Yeah, the detonator.
Yeah. That's amazing. Yeah. So how do you, for a new member, if you can show them someone wants to join Day Trade Masters, where do they need to go? I know I sent the product page through on the chat as well, but if you can just quickly show and how much it costs to become a member. Sure. And just quickly touch on that aspect to join your service.
Yes, I'm just going to stop my screen share and just go to my website quickly because I have Photoshop open there. Okay, let me just share again. There you go. Right, if you go to your Bitcoin tab, if you now first join Bitcoin tab, you can go and click on Join Us. If someone gave you a link to join or you're new here today, you can always go just underneath Join Us and then you can join. And after you've joined, it's a very easy process. Just go to products and let me just go in there. Sorry, my internet is a bit wonky these days. You go down here, you will see here's 3 circles here. That's our emblem. That's the Day Trade Masters emblem. And you just click in there and you can then join from there. So you'll see there, let me just open it quickly. You'll see there's a couple of options with Day Trade Masters. If you want to purchase it for 3 months, it's 180, 6 months, 350, then 12 months, 680. That's the options that you can have to subscribe to it. And once you have now bought this product or you have subscribed to it, this will then be in your back office. You will see this is mine. Here's my face there on the left-hand side and my username. And what you then get is you get a blog, you get your join Telegram. That's very important. People can just go and click then on join Telegram, where you then access our chat channel and our signals channel, where you can access that and then you set up. I'm just going to go back here quickly. Sorry. Then as well, if you're interested, if you now have got the Day Trade Masters and you say interested in the course as well, you can just click on there. It's a $720 for a year access. It's now basically on a pre-order special. We're still adding content to the course. So it's now in a pre-order special where you get an additional year if you subscribe to it now, and you also get access to Marius Landman's Elliott Wave training. That's very good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's
good value.
Value for money there, right, really. So if you click on that, if you now have joined our ultimate training course as well, it looks like this in the back office. You again get to join a Telegram group. It's an announcement group where everything is announced, and where as soon as you've joined our course, you also get then access to the detonator as well. So these are the 2 blocks that you just go and join then. So yeah.
Okay. Very easy. Very easy. Everyone just needs to get over to Bitcoin TAF, found the product, and just get started. Yeah. So, and I mean, if you made amazing gains in February, you could have paid it off in 1 month already.
1 month, easy. The course and the DTM. I just want to also, sorry, there's another, I've almost forgot about this. We also have a special running a long-term and day trade combo. If people are interested, this comes from the 6 days of bull we had with Marius Landman. This is also another one that you can, if you want a combo, say Marius's long-term reports with day trades. This is an excellent combo also to take advantage of, and it's on a special for 6 months, $650, for 12 months, $1,300. So, just want to tell people about that.
Yeah, that's good value. Then you have got your long-term view in the market in combination with short-term trading as well. That's fantastic. So I see there in the left of your screen, do you have 2 charts to share as a freebie for the day?
Yes, I saw that. You spotted very well. So yes, guys, there's two trades out that we posted last week, Saturday, with our Day of the Bulls update. It's still active. Remember, it's a 12-day trade. So we're now basically at day 4. And we had a great, if you look here, and I can also show you guys how the detonator looks. We already have our momentum here. It's on top of momentum now, yeah. It's going down a bit now. We're in a retracement, but we're still oscillating between this entry and stop loss level. So we're going to trade it up. It's soon going to turn around and then go past and get those profit levels. You must also remember, with these free trades that we give, we only give you like two take profit levels here, but in this one, in our Day Trade Masters channel, there's 5 of them that you can take advantage of. So the first one is bulk. We currently have a stop loss at 0.096 and then entry at 0.2360, and then take profit at 0.2482 and another one at 0.2604. And then we also have GRT. Again, this one is also ranging a bit together with Bitcoin, but we are above our Day Trade Masters EMA that runs here. Found support there. So it's also ranging, but we're still waiting for the pass entry and then trade it up. So your stop loss level will be 0.404. Entry 0.4331, take profit 0.4655, and then take profit to 0.4870. Sorry, I'm just reading it out. So everyone, maybe there's people that's driving in their car that want to note it down. That's why I read it out. So that's it, Ines. These are still available. They're also available on the public Telegram channel of Bitcoin TAF. They can just go a little bit in history, but it is there. They're still in play.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Nico. Thanks for your time and sharing your product to everyone on the call today. And this will be recorded, so you can share it with future members, everyone on the call, with other people that you do think may benefit from short-term trading. It's something that you can make profit on a daily basis to a weekly basis. So it's amazing to have that skill set and have two analysts that really does all the hard work and the grind for you, just to give those signals out. And how many signals is it generally on a daily basis? Or do you aim for about 2 or 3?
That's totally, it's dependable on the market condition at the time, but we aim on 1 a day. So we're looking at 5 to 6 to 8 a week. But it depends on the market. On a nice bull run, it can be quite a lot. That's why I say people have the tour to go and choose which signals they want to take. They have choices. So we put out as much as we can.
Beautiful. If there's any questions from everyone, if you want to raise your hand, we can unmute you. You can ask Nico or myself a question. Inabong, let's go. And you can unmute yourself if you can. And you can ask your question.
Okay, good afternoon in Nigeria here.
Hey,
Thank you very much. Please, I want to ask for something. In small cap big gains and salsa signals, even in Huddle Nut, I just finished the February batch of Huddle Nut with Wendy. Was wonderful, it was fantastic. So why don't you have something for 1 month in day trade master, so that those who cannot afford to pay for 3 months can pay for 1 month. In Nigeria, $50 is something more than 1 month's salary in Nigeria. So some people might not be able to put down $200, but they can pay on a monthly basis until when they have money to buy 3 months, 6 months, and 1 month. Right now, I am in Salsa. It's finishing in 1st April. I would have loved to join right away, but $200 is a bit hard for me right now because I just finished Huddle Nut. So can you make provision for 1 month in master trade for those who can afford only 1 month at a time?
Yes, Inobong, it's what we're looking at when we do the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months is value at the end of the day. So, I mean, for 3 months, if you can divide it into, say, 3 months, if you pay it monthly, the amount of signals we put out and the amount of profit that is possible in these signals is a great thing that that you can invest in. So we have taken it under advisement, but for now, that's the only 3 that we have available. But we can still talk about it. So I don't know, Ines, from your guys at Small Cap Big Gains as well.
For now, we do still have the 1 month option with Small Cap Big Gains. So we do have that option. Specifically, I do think of that reason to get people to then upgrade to a 3 month or 6 month. But maybe something to consider in the future, Nico.
Yes.
And thank you for that question. Really valuable question, Inabong, because obviously we are here to help where we can and assist people to make those profits and not to exclude anyone from an affordability point of view. Yes. So thank you for that. I appreciate that question.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anyone else? George.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Can hear you. Thanks, George.
Awesome. Thanks, thanks, and Nico as well. Nico, I'm quite a bit new to day trades, but I invited a few people as well. I just want to maybe for clarification, the trades that you put out, the lines that you got out, the different percentages.
Yes.
In other words, if a person has $100, as an example, $100 in, you take, you can decide now on the first line, you want to take 20% of your $100 on that percentage. Am I right in saying it?
Correct.
Or evaluate it like that?
Yes. What we always say is you have to use your own strategy that you've gained over, say, if you started trading now for a while, you will get your own strategy down. And what we suggest is maybe breaking it up. If there's, say, 4 take profit levels, you do 25, 25, 25. Some people just like to take profit levels. We do 50, 50. It's entirely up to you. Like I said, we can't give financial advice actually, but from us at Day Trade Masters in the chat channel, that's what we advise people to do. Some guys take 25% and just to take profit one and move on to the next trade. It's entirely up to you how you want to trade it.
Yeah, no, 100%. I just wanted to confirm that, and I'm good. Thank you. And anyway, thank you for the trades. I did some good trades in the last 2 weeks since I started. So awesome. Thanks for that.
Glad George. Glad you enjoyed it.
Thanks, George. And I always say in trading, besides a long-term investing, play it as a game. I see when you were a child and you played Mario Brothers, you became an expert in playing those games. You knew where the risk factors were, where you're not supposed to go. And play this as to become an expert in managing your risk. Put those stop losses in. When you get to a target, never get to hunt for TP5. When you get to TP5, you should be 70% out of the coin already. That's the last bit of stretch to say, listen, it's a Hail Mary, it's fantastic. You got your profits till TP5, and that's fantastic if you can manage it up to that point and really only take the profits. But what if you didn't have a sell order in, it spiked and you were asleep and you actually didn't take any profits? Now you're back at TP3 already. Yeah. So having that strategies in place, very, very crucial. Thanks for that question, George. All right, Praise Jai, you can go ahead. Unmute yourself, please.
Good morning, Enos.
Morning. Where are you from?
Yeah, from Nigeria.
Oh, lovely. Nigeria representing you today.
Thank you. I so much appreciate what you guys are doing. But I have a little issue. The last time I wanted to subscribe for Hodl Nuts, I was juggling between Hodl Nuts and day trade. I really want to make, daily money, but daily income. So the Hodl Nuts was at least what I can reach. But my problem was at the end of subscribing, I couldn't succeed because of the payment. I used my ATM card, my MasterCard. It didn't go. It was just showing me error. I tried more than 10 times. So I don't know what's the way out. Why am I having that issue?
Maybe from that. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, let me quickly help there.
Yeah.
Have you opened a support ticket prior so that they can just assist you and see what's the problem in the back end?
I think I did that very day. But unfortunately, I spent the money, but I'm still interested in either Hodl Nuts or day trade. But the problem is subscription.
Are you registered on Bitcoin TAF?
Yes, I'm already a member of Bitcoin TAF. I have a long time.
So the problem is when you want to buy that, it just gives you an error?
Yep.
Okay, can you send me your details? I'll put my Telegram name in here, and then you can just send me a message so I can get Michelle to get hold of you, seeing that you already opened a ticket.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Praise.
Thank you, Indy.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Okay, so yes, Praise, you'll see Teresa's Telegram handle, so please reach out. And it's good having these forums where we can touch on all these questions and see where we can improve and help everyone to get into our system in one product or another. So I just want to quickly, at a last glance, share my screen and just show anyone that's interested in buying TAFToken. This is our page where you can buy on Pancake Swap. And then yesterday we had when we launched, bottoming out here at the moment, and everyone that knows a little bit of trading, we made call it maybe a bottoming formation, and now we're finding support around that 4 cents, 5 cents level. So we had a spike yesterday up to about 10 cents. And listen, we are early days in TAF.
Wow, that's great.
So TAF had an amazing jump in price, and we've got major announcements that's going to come in January. So not financial advice, but absolutely a project to look into a little bit more. Join the Telegram channel, stay in touch. And we're excited to share more.
Cup and handle. Cup and handle.
You're right.
Absolutely. So we will see if we can have that lovely handle on the right-hand side forming for a break. And what do we know? Technically, from a 1 cent to 10, then the next target should be around 20 cents. So let's see how we can benefit from this in the next cycle as well. So if we don't have any more questions, I'll call it as a wrap for the day. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for being on the call. Nico will share the recording as well. We'll assist those members, and thanks for those questions. And we're going to have these more frequent webinars to get to know our community also more. Even if your members bring in your friends, family, and just be regular on these calls so we can touch base with everyone and always hear feedback, and we can always see where we can also improve on our services. So thanks, everybody. You must have a lovely day further, and we will stay in touch.
Thanks, Ines. Cheers, guys.
Keep well. Bye, everyone. Bye.